Okay, so we have all of the holes marked out, and now we're working on the shape of the green. And again, you can't see where your spray painted lines are underneath, and so what we're going to do is, you can see where I was drawing it with the chalk. And it's a good idea to step back off what you drew occasionally, just to kind of get a better idea to see if your lines are straight, or you know, if there's any little hitches or anything in here. So I actually drew in too close on this one, but that's okay, because the chalk just disappears or is faint, and I can follow my line. So this allows you to draw and redraw several times. You can do this with the customer present, and you can talk about any of the shapes or anything. If you want to have it undulate a little bit more, if you don't like any of the lines. So we're going to clean this one up down here. You can see it jogs out a little bit, and I'm not particularly fond of this little curve right here. But again, do this in chalk, do it as many times as you need to. Important tip though, again, wear your socks, but important tip, that if it rains or gets wet or moist, all of this goes away, completely disappears. So if you're trying to beat the weather, try to get this drawn and cut prior to any rain. Otherwise, everything that you marked will disappear.